I'm going to use this cube again as a surface to draw over. Right click, extrude. Just doing a little thing here to show you how you can draw on a surface as much as I know how to do it on a surface in Grease Pencil in Blender 2.80. I'm going to take the grid off, it's annoying me. So I've done this shape, Shift A, Grease Pencil, blank. Where is it? Okay, it's there just to see it a bit more. I don't know what's happened to my mouse, it's going really quickly for some reason, it's kind of annoying me. So I've got this here. I'm going to go to the mode up here, draw. Alright. Oh my goodness, the mouse. Right. Layers, new layer. Call this color. And make a new layer. Call this line. I'm going to draw over this as if it was a sort of 3D drawing. And then I'm going to go to here. Material. So this is the drawing material. I'm going to make another material. And this is the fill material. The thing here I didn't know to start with is this is the alpha. Drag it up to 100. That will give you a solid. Get rid of your stroke. Left click here and take the alpha down. So that's kind of the opacity, this box on the right. Okay. And the color, I want to make it a sort of bluey, shady blue. I'll do. So, and then again you have to go up here and go onto that material. Oh, yeah, I've just put down the wrong one. That should be down there. Just drag that. So now that's a blue color, and then we're going to go to layers. Make sure we're on the color layer. And then I'm going to control and right click. Is that going to work? That's alt and right. Is it? Oh, God, I've forgotten how to do this. Yeah, there we go. So it's shift and left click to drag it around. And as you can see, it's not going on the surface because I have to go up here and go to surface. So shift and right click. Is that? Yeah. Kind of sticks on the surface. I don't like the way it does it though. Kind of messy. Let me know if you know another way to do it. Perhaps if we can go like this. Is that going to do anything? Whoa, it's not very good either. Don't like that. Perhaps you know a way to get that. Yeah, that's crap. That's not very good, is it? I'm gonna right click on the object again, and I'm just going to take that layer out. I'm bored of that. So I'm going to use the line now. I don't have my graphics tablet. That's packed away for tomorrow. What I'm doing this for today is to have do a bit of a test, because tomorrow I'm going to go out to a coffee shops in Glasgow, and draw using this method. You know what's going on outside. This needs to be taken down, so the size of this needs to go right down. And I'm going to build, sort of do an urban sketch, as it were, but using this really cool feature. And what I want to do is, build up the structures first. So, for example, a building or a sign, and then do a painting over the top. And because I'll have my graphics tablet, it'll look better than this. See, that's pinged off there. You've got to be careful when you're going over the sides. And get this. Whoop. Okay. You might be able to hear the howling wind outside. So I'm going to just do a bit of a squiggle there. draw around that. Yeah, it's a real storm. I don't have any curtains for this room. I'm going to put them up in the next week, but some about 6-10 meters away on the other side of the street, people always look out the windows. I think they're old age pensioners or something, but they don't seem to have anything better to do than to look out. I think they're actually looking at the moon, which is in the direction of my flat, but it's still a bit weird. I think people should get a life sometimes. So I'm gonna get my curtains. Don't know. I mean, my mum's 70 odd, and they don't do that. It beats me why some old people just spend the whole day looking outside, seeing what's going on the road. Don't mean to be bad or anything, but it's a bit sad. Like the same way as people who are whatever age do that. We've got computers now. If you're retired and you've got a thirsty mind, you're gonna be doing this kind of thing, or creating or music. I don't know. Perhaps it's different when you get to that age, but I know a lot of people that still have a thirsty mind at that age. Right. Mind you, we've all hung around with people, whatever age, when you're 16, 20, 30, whatever, 35, 40, now I'm 40-ish. And you think, these people are so boring, and I'd rather be doing some 3D or drawing than feeling my energy is getting sucked away by some boring dinner party with people like that. So I guess some people are just boring, aren't they, whatever age. And who am I to judge? I don't know. Okay, so we just draw. So that's gone out there. Just delete that. Yeah, it's very messy, but it shows you how you can just take that off draw to object modes. Sorry, my mouse is really doing some weird things today. Take that off. So yeah, let's delete the structure. Let's smooth that a bit. And as you can see, that's pretty amazing. So now we're kind of drawing in 3D space. And it's like an object in Blender, so you can press S, you can scale it on the different dimensions. So S, Z, so we can scale it up the way. Control Z, we can S, X, we can scale it that way. S, Y, that's quite interesting, isn't it? S, Y. We can take it all the way back or front or like that. We can also rotate it. Another good thing is we can Shift D and actually duplicate the object. So we can draw a kind of component, as it were. We can sketch out a component, as it were. That's annoying, isn't it? Yeah, it's my mouse. And we can Shift D, and we can make lots of things like this. That's kind of interesting, isn't it? I think we can also convert this to a mesh, to a spline. Let's go to the worlds, render, and we can add a nice background. This is Eevee. And we can go to, and because we're in 2.8 using the render engine, we can play around with some things like this. Volumetrics, bloom. Let's see if bloom's going to work. I don't think there's no light, is there? Oh well, whatever. Yes, that's it. building up sketches in 3D using the great Blender 2.80 grease pencil. I'm fairly rusty at the moment. If you have any other tips, let me know as well. As you can see out there, you know, it's a cool thing, especially if you're into sketching like me. It's almost more interesting than actually making 3D modeling. It's a different thing. A revolution, perhaps. Speak soon. Bye.